In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply gradient to shapes in Canva. If you've ever wanted your designs to pop with a little more color and depth, using gradients is a fantastic way to achieve that unique look. So let's dive right in and turn your shapes into beautiful eye-catching designs. To begin, open Canva and navigate to the home page. Look for the Elements tab located on the left side of your screen. Clicking on Elements will open up a plethora of design options that Canva offers, ranging from lines and shapes to stickers and charts. For our purposes, we're focusing on shapes. Once you are in the Elements section, use the search bar to type in shape. You will see various shape options appearing on your screen. To view all available shapes, click on the See All link that appears right next to the Shapes category. This will extend the list and ensure that you have a broad selection to choose from, whether you're in need of a circle, square, triangle, or something more complex. After you've selected your shape, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. This adds the shape directly into your current design project, allowing you to move it around and resize it to fit your needs. You can adjust the size by clicking on the corners of the shape and dragging them until you're satisfied with its dimensions. It's really that simple to customize the shape's size and placement. Now that your shape is in place, it's time to add a gradient color to it. To do this, click on the shape and then look for the color icon, which usually appears at the top of the toolbar. Clicking this icon will open up a color palette. Here is where the magic happens. Scroll down through the color options and eventually you will see a section dedicated to gradients. Canva offers a selection of gradient colors that you can apply directly to your shape. Click on any of these gradients to apply it to your shape and voila! Your shape now boasts a stylish gradient finish. By following these steps, not only have you added depth and dimension to your design, but you've also opened up a world of creative possibilities. Gradients can bring your projects to life, making them more engaging and visually pleasing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different shapes and gradient combinations until you find the perfect look for your project. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more creative tips and tutorials. Enjoy adding those beautiful gradients and happy designing.